Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save and export files in Audacity. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, there is a difference between saving and exporting. If you choose to save project, then you will save Audacity project which can be opened with Audacity online. This is good if you plan to finish editing later and you just need to save it for now. To save it, just go to this file and then save project and then tap on this save project, or you can tap on Ctrl S. You can see that you can save it only as Audacity project with a UP file extension. Name it and save it. And now, so to export audio, you can actually listen to it. Go to export and choose the export format. If you choose MP3 and got error, this means that you need to install lame encoder to be able to export in MP3 format. So of course you want maximum quality, so be sure that you export in the WAV format. So just simply tap on this export as WAV and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to save and export files in Audacity. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.